Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in correctly in both settings and the App Store. This is critical because purchases tie to that account. Next, verify the payment method and billing information. Expired cards or mismatched addresses cause declines. Once done, make sure your network is stable. Switch Wi-Fi off and on or toggle airplane mode to refresh. These steps clear most permission and connection barriers, so try the purchase immediately after each check to see if it now completes. Now you dig deeper. Check family sharing, purchase sharing, and any ask to buy restrictions because they block transactions for members. If settings look fine, sign out of your Apple ID, force restart the iPhone, and sign back in. This refreshes tokens and often resolves authorization failures. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupted caches. Also update iOS and the app. Outdated software can cause API mismatches. Free some storage so the device can process receipts and downloads without error. Finish by attempting the purchase again after the previous fixes and immediately check your purchase history and email for a receipt. That tells you if it went through. If the bank declined, call them, ask about 3D Secure or other verification the issuer might require. If the error persists, gather error messages, exact timestamps, and screenshots, then contact Apple support. They can inspect server logs and receipts. One key tip: always record the error code. Apple and your bank rely on it to pinpoint the failure quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.